What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit of the Week, number 14. I'm really interested in this one because when they reached out to me, I picked up a bottle of their gin a little while ago and did a show for their stuff, and then they reached out to me and said, hey, we'd love to send you our vodka and our whiskey. And I'm like, okay, how do you guys have whiskey so quickly? Because there's a couple of distilleries here in the province that buy in whiskey from Alberta, finish it here, and then sell it as a craft spirit, like trying to be a craft spirit, and it's not. So I won't do reviews on those sort of whiskeys, but that being said, I do whiskeys on craft whiskey. So, and they're like, oh, we've been distilling since 2017, and our whiskey's about 4 years old. We just decided, like, while we were waiting for the whiskey to do a gin and vodka, and I'm like, okay, sweet, yeah, I'm down. And what do you think I'm talking about? I'm talking about the Canadian whiskey from, Canadian single malt whiskey from Indigenous Spirits. So it's 100% malted barley, barrel aged on site in West Carolina distillery. The debut release of this distiller's blend is a combination of whiskey aged exclusive for creation to bottling and export. Whoa! Export and ex-cognac. Hello there. Non-chilled filtered, no other color, the usual thing. Ooh, export and ex-cognac. Now I've got little goosebumps. I got goosebumps trying to think about this one. I'm got some high hopes. 3 to 4 year old whiskey, port and cognac, yes. On the nose, you're getting all the usual suspects: the toffees, caramels, sin at 40%. Toffees, caramels, light chocolates, white chocolate, milk chocolate. The grain structure, in comparison to a lot of other single malts I've done in BC, a little bit more subdued. Definitely barrel forward on this one. Sweetness. On the palate. Grassy hay notes. Those toffees and that butterscotch comes through really nice, but super subtle. The hay notes, I'm going to say, are coming from the cognac for sure. This is a fun little number. Cognac and the port, genius, just genius idea. Very light on the palate. The cognac and the port definitely like just meld really nicely with their single malt. Indigenous Spirits, get yourself some if you can. Go to their website and pick up some, because that is a fantastic little single malt. Guys, thanks as always for the support. See you soon. Bye.